Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be doing another fictional movie vehicle, and we're going to be building the Ghostbusters Ecto 1 from the 2016 Ghostbusters Answer the Call reboot movie, which is a different car than the other Ecto ones. And I just figured, since we've already done a tutorial for the original Ecto 1 and Ecto 1A, and now recently the pre-Ecto 1, we might as well finish it off and do the reboot version here. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get into it. French Fried Trains is a channel for adult railvans and Minecrafters, and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you and enjoy the video. So we're going to start off with the front wheel. So place down a block of coal and put a stone button on the side. On the opposite side of it, put two polished top slabs, another block of coal with a stone button on this side. On the front, 4 top slabs across here, and then behind it, coming off the block of coal here, we're going to put a line of 8 polished top slabs and just extend that across so it's 4 blocks wide, so a 4 by 8 of top slabs here. Behind this, 2 top slabs in the middle, a block of coal in here and here, and then again put a stone button on the side of each wheel. Then behind this, we're going to do a 4 by 3 of polished top slabs on the back end. On the back middle, we're going to put 2 bamboo signs in the center, and we're going to repeat on the front end and put 2 bamboo signs in the middle here. Above this, 2 deep slate tile blocks in the center and a forward-facing smooth quartz stair on each side with a glow item frame on each stair. Behind it, we're going to put an upside-down, outward-facing smooth quartz stair above each front wheel. 2 smooth quartz blocks in the middle, and 2 rows of 4 blocks here. Then we're going to come all the way down this outer edge to the very back with smooth quartz blocks on each side. Then 2 stairs here going backwards, and a gray stained glass pane on each back corner. And actually above this wheel, we need an upside-down smooth quartz stair for the fender, and same thing, an upside down stair here above this one. Now we'll do the interior. So we're going to come up here in this corner and put a dark oak fence gate for the steering wheel, a lever here. Turn around and put 2 black stone brick stairs going forward here, skip a block, 2 more. Back here, put 3 polished deep slate slabs here. Now we're going to add the side mirrors on. So we come right here, put a temporary block on top. Angle a skeleton skull like this, take out the block, and put a lever going up into it. Repeat on this side. So a temporary block right here, an angled skeleton skull with a lever going into it. Then we're going to detail the side here. So right behind the lever, a mangrove sign, then an item frame, then 3 mangrove signs, because this one has a red stripe. Then behind this wheel, 3 more mangrove signs. We're going to repeat that on this side. So up here, 1 mangrove sign, item frame, 3 mangrove signs again, and then 3 mangrove signs back here. Now we're going to go up on this front corner and put a birch sign on the side of this stair here, and repeat on this side and put a birch corner on the side of this stair here. Now take out stained glass panes in whatever color you'd like the windows to be. Right here, go 4 wide. Then we're going to put 3 stained glass panes on the side here, 3 on this side. Then a single smooth quartz block on each side. Then 2 stained glass panes on each side. Behind that, 3 red concrete on each side. And finally on the very back, a backward facing mangrove stair on each side. Put 2 stained glass panes right here in the middle. And then in between here, we're just going to fill this all in with stained glass blocks so we have a surface to build on in here. Just like that. Then we're going to come up front with snow, and right in front of this windshield we're going to go 4 wide and 2 pieces of snow tall. Then a 2 by 2 here, that's 2 pieces of snow tall, and then 2 white carpet on each front corner like this. then we'll come back over here. Now on this red concrete, put a stone button and then 2 birch signs. Repeat over on this side, so 2 signs and a button. Then up here, on this row, we're going to put an orange bed going this way on this side, and then one going this way on this side to represent the light bar. Come up here with a bamboo stair in the middle, put one going this way here in the middle, and then one going the opposite way so it's centered like that. Then we'll take a block of gold, put 1 block of gold right here with a polished black stone button on top. Next to it right here, a polished top slab. Then on this outer edge right here, a skeleton skull, and above that, put a heavy core like this. Then, put a bell right here behind the slab. Behind the gold block, put a single polished black stone wall, and behind that wall, 2 deep slate tile stairs going this way. Then switch to polished deep slate stairs right here, and put 3 stairs on the outer edge going this way. Then come over right here, put 2 anvils right here. Right here, we're gonna put 2 grindstones, like that. Then take out mangrove slabs, put 4 across here, 1 here. Then 1 over here, 4 across this, 1 on either side of these bamboo stairs, and 4 right here. Now, we have to make a banner, so we're gonna come into a loom with a white banner and red dye. Put a red border on it, and then this diagonal across here. Come up here, and we're going to place this on this item frame, and same thing on this side, put 1 on this item frame right here. Now come up front on these 2 deep slate tile blocks and put 2 ladders right here. Then we have 1 more banner to make for the headlights, so come into a loom, yellow banner and orange dye. Make 1 with a vertical on the left and 1 with a vertical on the right. Then we're going to put a black border on it, and then a black horizontal line in the middle on both of these banners. And then we're going to place them in these item frames for the headlights, and we need to turn them so the orange is on bottom, and that makes the headlights. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Ghostbusters 2016 reboot movie version of Ecto 1. I hope everyone enjoyed the build, as we've now finished all 4 versions of Ecto 1 in our Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.